When you feel your whole world coming down and there's nowhere you can turn, all your problems got your head spinning round, and for peace your spirit yearns. Life has you in a bind you can't seem to shake, and it's more, much more than you can take. Well, you can find some love. You can.
We are here at CCM Recording Studio with singer and songwriter T. Hello, T.
Hello.
And thank you for coming.
Thank you for having me. I appreciate it.
Let's begin with, what is the More Shadu Project?
Well, the More Shadu Project is really a tribute to a band that I played with a few years ago. They did some great music, and I wanted to get it out for other people to hear.
What type of music is it?
It's a little bit of everything. There's some jazz, some rock, R&B, some very nice songs that they put together that probably would have done well back in the time that they made them, so we're going to do them now and see what they do now.
What have you personally brought to the project?
Personally, I'm basically the person who wrote most of the music and the lyrics, so right now we're doing the arranging and trying to get these things updated so that they sound really, really good.
Who else plays a major role in this project?
My executive producer is Dee Warren. He's in charge of Street Production Enterprises. He's been doing a great job getting this thing together and bringing all the people into the studio for me, so I'm loving it.
How long have you guys been working together?
On this project, we've been working about 2 years, just about 2 years. We're almost at the end, though. We're getting close.
Is this your first CD?
My first CD? Yes, it is my very first CD. Hopefully, I'll be proud of it.
Do you have a projected release date?
We're going to try to be finished by midsummer this year. Hopefully, we can get that together, and we're going to have a really good time doing it.
What do you hope to accomplish with the CD?
Actually, I want to accomplish the fact, I want people to hear what R&B, I feel like R&B should sound like. I mean, the way things are done, it's not being done very well, and we just want to bring it back.
Are there plans to put together a band?
A band, yeah, we've talked about it. We're hoping we can get the right players to do it, get this stuff out. If we get it out and we get the opportunity to play it, it'd be an honor for me.
Will you be able to have any of the musicians from the CD join you?
Well, I certainly hope so. We've talked to a couple of them, but you know, it's scheduling and time, getting all that together. But we're hoping to get a couple of those guys. They're great musicians.
What do you think about the music of today?
Today's music, I'm not real happy with where it went. It's been going down this road for a long time, and it just seems like to me that the musicians are just repeating stuff that over and over. They're not really creating anything. That makes a difference to me. You have to be creative to be a musician, and right now I don't feel the creativity out there at all.
What artists do you personally like?
Who I do like, I like Alicia Keys, Anthony Hamilton, John Legend, people like that. People who have something to say in their music. They're creative. They're actually writing their own stuff.
Who were your musical influences from the past, today's present, and possibly in the future?
Wow, my musical influences from back when I was getting started, probably Earth, Wind and Fire, Funkadelic, people like that. James Brown, of course, the Godfather of Soul, Stevie Wonder. I was even around when the Jackson 5 were young, so those are the influences I have.
How did you guys get together again?
Well, Don found me and brought me this project, and he said, we need to do this. And my first reaction was to tell him no, because I really didn't want to get back involved in music. I had been away from it for a while. But to his credit, he stuck with it, and he finally convinced me, just having me listen to the music over and over. It was some good stuff in there, and actually it needed to be done, so I was glad for it.
So how do you feel about the whole thing now?
Right now, it's probably the best experience of my life. I'm enjoying every minute of it, and I'm hoping that when we're finished, we'll have a product that we'll be proud of. Once I was a man alone, ever searching for a home. I was so lost and all alone. I was searching everywhere, couldn't find anyone who cared. I felt so bad, and life was sad. Then I heard the voice of Jesus say, take my hand and every day I will be the one to lift up your son. And now my soul loves Jesus, my soul loves Jesus. I thank him every day, praising his holy name. My soul loves Jesus, my soul loves Jesus, and I'm gonna follow you. Lead me where you want to.